Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. 2 teaspoons of the liquid smoke, because I wanted to have a really good smoky flavor to it. All right, now instead of just regular onion, I'm also going to be using some shallots, because this is some that I had on hand that I really need to get rid of. I do not want it to go bad, so I'm going to go ahead and use it today. Seasoning both sides of my roast here. So I'm adding just a little bit of oil to it. I'm out of olive oil, so I'm simply using infused pasta oil that I had on hand. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper. This is some beef broth that I'm adding in, and I'm simply going to put this in my oven and let it go. And as you can see, my beef broth is hot. I did not want the temp to drop on my roast, so I made sure my beef broth is hot. And now I'm going to go ahead and transfer over into my oven. Beef, onions, and mushrooms on top.